All right, folks, here it is. Trade, you know, trade of freedom. I see 6, 5. I see range of stability. I see a move in position, priced out. I really don't like really taking the price out, but I felt comfortable about it. Not really about feeling. It's about how you feel. I mean, well, how you analyzing the market. Boom, got clicked in at 20. Here's the position. Got in position. Raised to 7. You can't well you can't have no fear when you really want to make it as a trader. You can't have no fear. You can't have be happy or glad. You happy or sad. You gotta just go in when you see it. You see an opportunity. Like we say, this is like being pregnant. I mean, having a being on birth control that you won't get pregnant. You dig what I'm saying? And once again, if it land on the mark on the sale, you made it. So there you go, money in the bank. You dig what I'm saying? Once again, if you take a sale and it land back on the strike, that's money. See, 425. So that's money. Now, if I would have took a see, the thing is on a buy, right? On a buy, uh, just pause that. On a buy, if it land on the strike, you lost. But on a sale, that's why I say on a sale, the +1 is 5 because you got to count this as one. So you would be like strike 9, 8, 7, 6. So your 6, boom. When you go to 5, that's your +1, 4. So hey, another one in the bag. Let's go. One a day. Trade of freedom, baby.